Okay, so let me share my screen. Oh, Nisi Pushi and Rivian puts too. That's dope. Let's see. Let's go check. Let's go check this. Let's go check it out. Let's go take a look at it. Cause y'all really killed that. Y'all really killed it on. Y'all really killed it on those Rivian calls. That was real dope. Definitely, definitely dope. So let's take a look at Rivian. RIVN. Is it RIVN? Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, that thing definitely dropped down from what hit 27.16 and hit 25.34 right now. Like we just like we discussed previously though. We discussed previously the whole thing was it's time for it's literally why is this stuff up? Yep. It's literally time for what? It's time for everything to kind of a nice, healthy pullback. Not a market crash saying the market is going to go backwards and just continue to go backwards, fall down, fall down. Even though it may seem like the market is going horrible, doing something horrible, it's really not. It's just doing a healthy pullback. Okay? Healthy pullback. And look at Rivian Gold. So if we go back here to let's go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it was a nice push up on Rivian. You look right here from man, Rivian went crazy. So from the $14 mark all the way up here, look at this is beautiful, y'all. All the way up here to this $26 mark right here. To this $26 mark right here. You look at Rivian right there. You look at Rivian right here. Boom. Now we got Rivian inside of a box on the 4 hour time frame. Come up here, boom. So you're looking at it anywhere from a potential from 26, well, basically say 27 down to a 23.4. If we break this 23.42, now we may have more room to the downside. A break in the retest, we definitely may have more room to the downside, probably down to this 21 area. Okay, so everybody who's in Rivian puts y'all something for you look forward to or look into, right? As far as possible levels that you can get in and get out on. Okay, but great play, everybody that you guys who took that Rivian play up. That was amazing. Great play, great play. Anybody looking at anything else right now? Okay. All right. This is beautiful. This is nice. Solid rejection candlestick. Solid rejection. All right, take a look at SPY. 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 I'm going to erase all of my levels on SPY for a second. And SPY is trying to hold on a little bit. If we look at this 4 hour time frame right here on SPY, we do see that we have what we discussed previously. I'm going to the 1 year, 1 day. This nice trend line right here. Upward trend line on SPY on the 1 year, 1 day. All right. On the 1 year, 1 day, we're also coming back to the non-EMA. All right, we're working our way back to that 450 mark. The non-EMA is currently at 450, and we're working our way back to the non-EMA, which is pretty cool, pretty decent, right? Right now, this trend line, this 1 year, 1 day trend line is sitting at 435. Sitting at 435. I believe this trend line will potentially come up to this 440 area, and I think SPY may pull back to that 440, 445 area. I think that's definitely possible. Okay, that's going to be an opportunity for us to enter in to the trade to start making attacking that brand new high of 478, 480. Okay, on the let's go to the 15-minute chart right quick. 15-minute chart, if I'm just focusing solely on key levels from yesterday, right here, we have this 451 area is going to be a strong level for us. This is a strong level of support yesterday. Okay, we want to see if it's going to break down for that 451 support, or is it going to stay above this 451 support? All right, let's see what I think. We got a couple supply zones and stuff too. In a second. I do. You got them. All right, let me erase this level right quick first. And all right, go ahead with the pivots. Okay. 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 Oh, we got some room, huh? Okay. All right. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay. Pivots. So right now we're sitting right there at a pivot, right? Make this one. There we go. We're sitting right here at a pivot right now. I'm going to draw this key level right here. Nice key level right there. And I know this is. I've been doing a lot of color coordinating lately. I don't know why. But so that's a key level for me. That's the previous day low. Okay, that's the previous day low. So that's a key level to me for me to the downside. Okay, key level for me to the downside. Right now we're sitting right at this pivot. Okay, sitting right here at this pivot. I believe if we do break this pivot, I'd love to see come back and see a retest of this pivot point right here, and then a nice push down to this key level. Want to see price action at this key level. Okay, we'd love to see price action at this key level. We see the last time we came down to this 451 area, we went from 451 to 454. So we went from 451 yesterday at 315, and this morning we got up to 454 by 9 o'clock. So we had a steady uptrend all night and morning after it came down to this key level. A break of this key level take us right down here to this S1 pivot and waiting to see what happened with price action. Okay, and this is the 15-minute time frame right now. We got three back-to-back red candlesticks. So off top, what I see right now is, do you guys see downward trend right here? Right? Do you guys see downward trend? One red candlestick down, two red candlesticks down, three red candlesticks down, making lower lows, low right here, low right here, low right here. We have right here, we have, yep, exactly. We have a higher high right here. I mean, we have a high right here, lower high, lower high. So what can we do? We can draw our old faithful trend line right here. So now, what do we have? We have a trend line right here. So we know with this trend line here, and it's a pretty strong trend line, it's been there for 15, 30, 45 minutes. Yep, 30 minutes on the 5 minute. It looks like this on the 5 minute. Push down, come to it, push down. And we will potentially see a opportunity, potentially see a push up to this trend line to see how price action relates to it. So we got a trend line pushing us down our pivot, and we have a key level right down here as well. Okay. Da, da, da. Let's see any. All right. We also have 1 hour order block above. from 453 to 455. So right now we're rejecting an order block. And I'm gonna show you guys something on my other screen in a second too. Is that a rectangle? All right. All right. So we got a nice order block and demand zone, nice order block and supply zone right here on SPY as well. And that 450 area is a 1 hour demand zone and a 1 hour supply. I mean, 1 hour demand zone and a 1 hour order block as well at 450. What, 450 to 450 to 455. So right around here. Okay, so there we go. So right now, this is the this is the story that we currently have. All right. So right now we have, this is the 1 hour time frame. We got a, well, this is the 1 hour 1 hour supply zone right here. We're coming out of, rejecting out of a 1 hour supply zone. We have a 1 hour demand zone right here at 450.70. 450.70. If you get into puts to play it down to that 450.70 or 450 area, just be patient, or not just be patient, but just be careful, because when we get down here to these puts, this is an opportunity for a strong push back up. Not saying it's going to push back up and go crazy, but it may be a place where it pushes up at. Okay, strong. This is the demand zone, 1 hour demand zone. Okay, 1 hour demand zone. We're breaking that pivot right now, retesting and breaking the pivot right now. We have a trend line pushing us down as well, and we have a supply zone order block. When you put all these things together, what do you feel like the story is telling you right now? Once you put all this together, what is the story telling us right now? Are we in call territory or put territory? Exactly. Exactly. And that's what it looks like. And remember, this is a key level right here as well. It's actually a 15-minute demand zone. All right, let me move this down. All right, any other stocks y'all looking at right now? Any stocks you guys looking at right now? See it, the video's falling down too. The video on a nice little 3-day push down, huh? Since that day it went crazy. Oh, it did? Whew. Yeah, she breaking down. Netflix didn't give good they didn't give good Q3 quarter 3 projections as far as like where they think it's gonna be at. Their projections and all that good stuff was horrible. It was horrible. Where is Apple? Apple's hanging around. Some of us keep an eye on Apple. Look at this. Apple's been chilling inside of a box. Take a look at Apple. Past 3 days, Apple just kind of hanging around, hanging around. Christmas Eve, just hanging around, waiting for the opportunity. Like I said, I'm expecting a few days, a week of dropping down, pushing down. That's what I'm expecting from the market overall coming up soon. Look at the 5 minute right quick. Do see the 5 minutes trying to retest, push back up above. And anybody any plays right now, or just you just looking? Any plays, or you just looking for plays right now? AMD doing a push down. AMD, AMD. Let's see. Yep, nice push down. What we got around here? AMD looking to break that previous day low. Yep, this would be a key level right here to break. Previous day low. We hit this low twice. We hit it right here at 315. Then we came down here last night, right before the market kind of closed out. It hit that level as well right there. Hit the level right there, bounced up as well. So now it's coming back down to this level. So it'd be interesting to see how it plays out right there. Be interesting to see. Tesla's coming on back to us. That's good. Tesla down almost $40. It hit $299. Tesla hit $299 on the 19th. Now we're at $260. $260. So it hit 300. Now we're at $260. That's a $40 drop. $40 drop, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Yeah, no, Tesla had good. Tesla stuff wasn't it? Tesla stuff really wasn't that bad. I mean, honestly, that's the thing about it. Right. So the main thing, what happened on with Tesla, I think we kind of discussed it some. When earnings was great, just revenue fell, right? Revenue, the amount of cars that was sold for the revenue that was received, like we said previously, a lot of things was at discounted rates, right? A lot of things at discounted rates. So, and hopefully Tesla doesn't do another split or try to do another round of trying to raise capital either. All right, here go this. Here goes. Here, say it again. Game. You get money. Gain money. That's the main thing. One second. Yeah. So, but basically, for example, if they do another stock split, the stock is at $300 right now, or whatever is at 260. So they do a stock split. The price, if they do a 4-to-1 stock split or whatever, the price will be cutting divided by 4. You see what I'm saying? So now the price will be cheaper, more people can buy in, all that good stuff. So I think Tesla's done like what 3 stock splits in the past 2-3 years, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So very, very interesting. All right. So this candlestick right here that's forming, this is a tension grabber candlesticks. A candlestick right now. Okay, this is an attention grabber candlestick. If you look at this candlestick right now, you see that this candlestick right here is going bullish. This is a bullish candlestick. So right now, everybody, this is something very important to focus in on and hone in there. Right now, we have a bullish candlestick on the 15-minute time frame forming. We push down here, boom, we shot back up. We came back we're inside this pivot, so we're inside of the R1 in the pivot point, so inside of a box, you can say, came back into this box. What do we have pressuring us? Right now, we have a trend line, downward trend line, plus we have a 1-hour supply zone pressuring us right now. In order for this candlestick to stay in order for us to get more confirmation if we're about to push back up and go back up here and test this R1 area, we need to see this candlestick stay as it is, stay bullish. But that's just your attention grab. It just grabs your eye. The next candlestick is going to be your confirmation candlestick. All right. Now, say hypothetically speaking, if this particular candlestick right here stays bullish, right here, the next candlestick that opens, this area right here, we want to see the candlestick stay above this gray line right here. If it does not stay above this gray line right here, it's going to fall down to this 451. If it does stay above this gray line right here, we're going to potentially bounce and try to go break this trend line. Y'all with me? Why is that, Chris? Because right here, we know this is a level of support. Right here, we broke through that support, pushed right back above that support. So therefore, the next candlestick that opens up, if it opens up red and start to push down, do not say, okay, I'm jumping into puts right now because it's red and it's going down, going down. If it does not cross below this line right here, do not get into puts. If you're looking at getting in a potential play right here on SPY. Do you guys understand and see what I'm looking at right there? And if I potentially go back, I haven't looked back and seen yet, so I don't know if it's going to happen for sure or not. But if I potentially go back, we may go back and see that this gray level right here may be some level of resistance. And there it goes right here. If you look right here, push above it, fell down. Pushed above it, fell down. Pushed above it, fell down. Look right here, post-market, came up to it, fell down. Came up to it, fell down. Hey, how you doing? So, 1 second. All right. Let's keep going back. So I'm gonna see if we have anything else. Right here, we have a little bit of contention with it right here as well. So in the past, that level has been a level where the stock has stopped and pushed back down, broke through, fell back down. The body came right here and closed right here. Right here, this day, it was actually a support level. Right here, another support level. So yes, let's see how this plays out. Okay, got 2 more minutes on this candlestick. 2 more minutes on the candlestick. Right, 5 minute looks like this, breaking above the trend line, which looks good. This is a bullish 5-minute candlestick as well. And take a look at this, everybody. Look on the 5-minute time frame. Look at the 5-minute time frame. It shot up on the 5-minute time frame, and it came back right here to this level. So this same level right here, this level right here, boom, 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 came up, came down, broke through, came back above this 5-minute candlestick right here. Boom, it held that level. Held that level right there. Okay. That's even more when you drill down to 5 minutes, you can see that. That's giving us more confirmation that this level right here is a strong level. All right, strong level. 15-minute time frame. We almost at this moment of truth. Almost at the moment of truth on a 15-minute time frame. This is a strong 5-minute, 15-minute candlestick. It just closed. Now let's see, where does this particular candlestick go? Where does this candlestick go? SPX looks like this. XPX came down to a strong level, bounced off of that strong level right here. Let's try to work itself up. Amazon got some nice red, big boy reds. How Rivian looking, everybody? RIVN. Rivian still dropping. Looking good. Y'all still in y'all Rivian plays? What expiration date do you guys have? Oh, good stuff. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. CYC. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Oh, and Nisi out too. Good stuff, Nisi. CYC, Nisi. Good stuff, everybody. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good. Oh, that's NBs. I think. Why I thinking your name on his in that's NBs is Nick. I don't know why I was thinking NBs is Nisi. All right, let's see. All right, nice push down. That was a nice, good scalp for y'all though. CYC, congratulations. Uh, all right, here we go. Spies breaking up. Good stuff. Stayed above this level on the 5-minute time. This is why I always tell everybody it's good to make sure you have multiple screens up. Have multiple screens up so you can see that action on the 15-minute, for example, right here. Perfect example. Move this up. And move this over. So for example, right here, if you were able to have your 15-minute time frame up and your 5-minute time frame up, right? How we was just talking about looking for that particular key level, that candlestick right here was this candlestick right here was your tension grabber candlestick, and we had pinpointed on the 15-minute time frame that this area right here was a strong area that we wanted to take a look at. The 15-minute time frame tells this story right here. This is the story the 15-minute time frame tells, right? The 5-minute time frame tells the story that we're looking for as well. We're looking to see, well, if I was looking at this trade, I'm looking to see what's going to happen when this stock comes back to this gray line right here, because this is a strong level of support. The 5-minute says, okay, it came here right here. We know this is a strong level. It broke through, pushed back above, and boom, the 5-minute shows that it hit. So that's why having a 15-minute up and the 5-minute up shows that it hit. So now you can make your decision. Okay, I see it bounced off of this level that I was checking for, and it pushed back up. So now you can enter in off of that touch and pushing back up, therefore leading you to be able to get this profit right here. Okay, that's why it's important to have multiple screens up, especially if you're day trading. If you're doing more so swing trade, it's not that important to have multiple screens up. But if you're doing day trading, it's very important to have those screens up. Okay, multiple screens up. Okay, so now we say, where are we going next? potentially go right back up here to this R1. It's Friday. We all know how Fridays go. Sometimes on Fridays we just trade inside the boxes, and that's it. Anybody seen any possible swing trades they've been looking at? Any possible swing trades they've been looking at for any time frame? Oh, nice. Yeah, I was about to ask when did you get in? I think did you get in on Monday when we talked about it? Or was that Tuesday? When did you get in? Got you. Nice. Yep. Good stuff. Yeah, that's great. Nice. You went low delta so it can go up, or you went mid delta, high delta. What you did? Oh man, that's good. That's some room. That's definitely gonna pay off. When it shoots up and breaks through, it's definitely gonna pay off. And just look what it. Let's just look at it right quick. It's like it's just beautiful. It's right there. That box right there, right here inside this box, trying to break on through this time. This is the. Yeah, yeah, yep. It's crazy. It's gonna break. It's gonna break. Yep. It's going to break. It has to. It's target. Right? It's target. It's definitely gonna break through. Definitely got to keep an eye on that target play. Definitely. Definitely. MU. Yeah, I feel like MU has been very quiet as well. Go back to the 1 year, 1 day, right quick. It's kind of been hovering around the top of this box too, because I got to keep. I've been keeping an eye on it since it's been uptrending. Since AMD been doing what it's been doing as well in the video, MU is kind of sitting around the top of this box area. It hasn't fallen down much. It's not bad. Keeping a look on it. Don't see an entry right now for it personally, but keep looking to see. Uh, Apple, Amazon, Target, Tesla, Dow, Google, Microsoft, PayPal. Check out my PayPal. Let's see what my. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Look at PayPal. PayPal went from $58 back in May. It's moving up to $72. Let me go ahead and put a little something right here on the pal. Let's see. PayPal. When is PayPal earnings anyway? August 2nd. PayPal is really like it's just been dying. It's like a dying breed. Came from 103 down to 58. Now it's at 72. It's been doing a little something. PayPal, everybody, look at PayPal. Seriously. Let's take a look at PayPal. PayPal died on us like it literally died on us. Like sadly and softly died on us, right? Uh if PayPal can give us good earnings, PayPal is at a buy. Like PayPal is literally at a buy right now. As far as like technical, if you look at technical aspect of it, let's take a look at it. Let's see. Let's break down this PayPal right quick. And PayPal been my baby for a long time, and it's been doing me wrong. Let's see. Uh huh. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, PayPal. I got a love hate relationship with PayPal, so it's good. At the same time, it sometimes it makes me mad. Uh, but PayPal helps a lot of people. I tell you that much. Helps a lot. Uh huh. Oh wow. Yeah. I like, but the stock for PayPal has been dying, like literally like dying for PayPal. Not sure. Yeah, and that's what they have to work on some stuff internally. But that'll be interesting. And also, who's that? I think that was Miss Iola in the chat. She put Disney maybe sold. That's going to be something. How do you sell, dude? Yeah, yeah. Disney is a Disney is honestly a disaster right now. If you would have purchased Disney, what 5 years ago, put $1,000 in Disney 5 years ago. Say if you'd have put $100 in Disney 5 years ago, your shares would be worth $86 right now. You bought one share of Disney 5 years ago, you would be down money. It's crazy, right? Disneyland we talking about. That's crazy. One share of Disney back in October 6th, 2021. No, 2020 was 125 or 121. Now today is $84. Horrible investment. Horrible investment. Voila, magic, everybody. Look what happens. It rejects and break on through down here. There you go. And now we're right back at this level again. It got to the moment of truth on the 15-minute time frame, the 9 EMA, and look what it did. SPY fell right back down. It broke through the 9 EMA, rejected, pushed back down, and look what spot it came directly to, and it's hovering over right now. This key level right here. Hovering over that key level right there. Beautiful push down. So nice rejection right here. In other words, nice rejection. So what we should do is we should be starting to we should come on down here to this level, potentially come down to this level right here. Eventually come down to this 450, and I believe we should not break. I don't think we'll break 450 today at all. I think by the time when we get to 450, I think we would potentially be. I think at 450 we'll probably get some consolidation and stay above 450 for the rest of the day. Something very slight. And as you can see on SPX, it came directly to edit this gap area on SPX. You see right here, SPX kind of had a lot of stuff right here yesterday. It came down here just now, boom, boom, boom. Came down to it, bounced up, came down to it. But this is one thing I want you guys to point out when it came back up on SPX, because you know SPX doesn't have pre-market. Look what's going on SPX. That's the SPX trend line. Okay, so right now, pressure right here, got pressure to pushing it down. Got this level right here as a strong support level. On SPX, probably see something push back up. And now what we're looking for is a total on the total opposite side. Let me see something right quick. What I'm looking for now, I'm looking for it to come back up to the pivot and reject the pivot. As soon as it comes to this pivot right here, I'll potentially enter in on my play. I'm gonna enter in on puts when it comes to this pivot right here. Probably willing to lose about only willing to lose about 500 when it comes up to this pivot area. I'm gonna be playing. I want to, if I see any, when it comes to the pivot, I want to see any form of a push down first, right? I want to see any form of a push down. If I start seeing a push down, definitely underneath this level, I'm gonna enter in on my puts. And we'll see. And I want to see what happens when it comes to this pivot line right here. See what we get, what we got, what we going to do, what we gonna do, what we gonna do. It's Friday, so just the goal is just to make a couple dollars, get on home get on through without getting hurt. Oh no, you want to go with a smile, right? That's the worst. Going into the weekend with the frown. So we at this pivot point right now. See that 15 minutes, so you guys can see it. That's what the 15-minute looks like. 15 minutes showing this as a level as well. Nice little level of support right there as well on the 15-minute time frame. It's a good look, Chris. Right around here is a good look. All right, I'm in on puts. Looking in on puts, looking to come down here to this particular level right here. I think I'm in on puts, looking to come down to this level right here. I'm only willing to lose about anywhere about where I'm invested, probably like 10%, 10-15% stay on this particular call. What AMD got going on? Somebody said check AMD. Oh, Calvin, I was able to see it off of my other screen. My other screen has on TradingView, it shows you right there. It shows you when the earnings coming up. Also, right here on TD on Thinkorswim, you look right here, you can see these little icons right here. These icons tell us, okay, earnings. Boom, boom, AMD earnings. AMD is consolidating right now. Basically just consolidating. And AMD has to break this 109.20 area. AMD has to break that 109.20 area. All right, I want to see rejection right here. I do not want us to go back above this pivot. I want to see full rejection right here off of this pivot. Do not want to go back into this pivot, into that. Don't want to see it test that supply zone at all. All right, Amazon, okay. Apple don't look half bad. Apple just been kind of hanging around, chilling. All right, SPY's going back above or attempting to. Back at the 90 MA on the 5. Let's see if we get some type of rejection right here. On the 15-minute, we are right here at this level. Man, I can barely breathe. I would love to see this candlestick right here become bearish. I want to see this candlestick right here become bearish, and it's a nice sharp fall down here. Hopefully it doesn't take long. Hopefully this happens before 11 o'clock so I can get out of this trade and call it a day. All right, let's see what happened off this rejection. Remember, if it goes the opposite way, definitely getting out. Small loss. Right, small loss. Let's see what this 1 minute is looking like. All right, so the 1 minute looking like boom, trying to break it, can't break it. Right here, trying to break it, couldn't break it, push down, trying to break it, push down, trying to break it, push down. Right here, we edit, trying to break it. Let's see if on this 1 minute we push right back down and have a big boy red candlestick coming right back down to this gray area. Amazon holding tight. Google, Microsoft, VIX, yeah. It's trying to come. 1 minute. Yeah, you're on the 1 minute. 2 minute, yeah. I like the 2 minute too though. 2 minutes pretty dope. I like the 2 minute. Sometimes the 2 minute does you more justice than the 1 minute. 5 minute, it's trying to become bearish. Need for it to hold, stay bearish, and just actually release. Need for it to release. But we do see another rejection from that pivot level, so that's a good sign. We do see some rejection. And we're in at a good spot. Coming back up to test it again. Look at the 1 minute time frame. Trying to test it again. Some buying pressure right here. This layer area right here, you can see if you look at the 1 minute, it's definitely some good buying pressure right here, right here, right here, and right here. There's definitely some buying pressure. And there goes a pop right there. Yeah. Let's see. We're gonna find out very, very soon. Nice strong push. On a 15 minute, I think we're at the 9 EMA right now. So let's see how we look. 15 minute, we at the 9. See if we get rejection from the 9 again, or it's gonna hold on. Potential delays in iPhone 15. Potential delays in iPhone 15 debut could impact Apple's margins. Meta Threads, Apps Faces user, Exodus, Microsoft CEO. Interesting. The iPhone maker and suppliers are struggling with the new manufacturing process that allows the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max to have larger screens displayed without increasing the device size. If Apple is going to increase the device, the screen, where in the world? There ain't no way to increase it. It say decrease or increase. It say decrease. It says to have larger screen displays. Good geesh. The thing is, I mean, I'm looking at my iPhone right now. There's nothing but a small, thin black line around the outside of it anyway. So that's crazy in itself. Huh? Hey, that would be Billy to come and say something about that. That would make sense for Billy to come and say something like that, right? What are we doing here? What we doing? Let's see what we doing here. Like it's trying to make a move. Let's see. At 8%. Trump classified documents trial date set for March 20th, 2024. I mean May 20th, 2024. Good gracious. Oh man. Like you want to kind of go, Emery. Definitely like you want to kind of go. Yeah, so it's waiting. Definitely. Let's see what we gonna do. 15-minute time frame. Yeah, that's that's the same thing. I was putting a market myself right here. Yep, that's gonna change the whole that's gonna change the whole dynamics of it. So let's see where it get to. But it's holding strong, and I do not like how strong it's holding. So that's concerning to me too. Right now, we pushing above the 9 EMA on a 15-minute time frame. On SPY, you talk what pre market? So what you said? What's that number you said? To my right here. Where you look? Where you looking at? What? Yeah, no pre market high. Yeah, yeah. I'm about to say pre market high is that 54, 54.76. Okay, got you. But we are approaching the pivotal level though right here, and it's kind of holding it's holding very strong too. It's wiping out this big boy red right now, wiping out right now. See, it's taking this big boy red out. Yeah, Amazon too got a big boy going as well. Some buying pressure coming in. Some nice buying pressure coming in. Sitting back inside of that sitting back inside of that box as well, at the 9 EMA as well. So this is a moment of truth. Yeah, right there. Hit that, make it red. Yes, you can play the box on all time frames. All time frames you can. So if this is a fake push down, I'll probably exit this particular trade if it's a fake push down. But we're right here at a level, right here at the that previous high level. So you're gonna see if this is a fake push down or not. Let's see what we're gonna do with it. Top of the morning. Anybody got any plans for the weekend? Any major plans for the weekend? What type of bike you got? Nice, 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 nice. And you still in Alaska, right? Oh, nice, 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 nice. That's a mm, got you. So in Alaska, so my I guess you call him my brother-in-law, my cousin. He's in Alaska for military right now. So they had to. He came from South Carolina. He drove all the way to I think Washington, if I'm not mistaken, and he caught a flight over to Alaska, and so caught a flight over to Alaska. So in the wintertime, it's dark all day, and the summertime is light all day. If I'm not mistaken. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. That's crazy. So does it mess up your sleep? Well, you probably used to it by now. Okay. Yeah, I'm the type of person. Yeah, it doesn't. I don't care what it looks like outside. If it's time to go to sleep, I'm tired. Somebody said Alaska sounds miserable. Yeah, if I'm tired, I'm tired. Okay. Ah, got you. Right. No, that's crazy. That's crazy. And you moved to Alaska for work, or was it okay? Ah, got it. So overall, what would you say your experience was? What was your experience? Right, right. Okay, cool. No, I follow you. I follow you. You're trying to. We gotta get below this pivot. This is the 1 hour time frame. We got 1 minute time frame. Got to get below this pivot right here. Yeah, get below that pivot, we'd be okay. If not, if we get below this pivot, we should be okay. But if not, like that, like it's really like a boring trading day right now, at, all together. So I believe after we get off at 5, like get off in a couple minutes, I'll probably set a stop loss at 600, and I'll probably walk away from the computer screen and uh, set an alert somewhere down here, or set a stop or set a profit taking level somewhere around here, a couple $100 even break even, and call it a day for trade. I really don't want to go into a Friday weekend, a Friday not weekend, but a Friday lunchtime in a trade. I really don't. Let's see. Yep, exactly. Let's look at this 2 minute time frame. So the 2 minute time, I like the 2 minute time frame too. I used to use it a lot more than I do now. I used to use it all the time, but I like this. So if you look at it right now, take a look at the 2 minute, or let's even look at the 5 minute. Kind of break it down right quick before we get out of here. So you look at the 5 minute right now. This is what we're experiencing right now. We had push down, push up, push down to right here, like you said, basically equal low right here, to a push back up, came right here. This is a little bit lower, and then we're pushing back down, right? But what we need to see is we need this push down to come down here and be a full push down, and not a push down right here, stop, consolidate, and push back up and try to go back up and tackle that 454. So we really need a break. We really need a break of that pivot level. Exactly. 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 Don't look too. It doesn't look that strong at all either. On a 15-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, like we kind of trying to form an H pattern. Just to be honest with you, look like a potential H pattern down. Let me move this trend line out the way now. Move trend line down, push up, boom, boom, boom. Rejecting this 90 EMA, continuously rejecting this 90 EMA, rejecting it right here, rejected it right here, rejected it right here, rejected it right here, looking for another small rejection right here, and then that whole wrap down and form us a nice little H. Okay. All right, everybody. So, any questions, concerns that you guys may have?